Hello students, I hope you all are good at your home. In this lockdown, we have to do something good. So why should I not start from now? Why am I starting this decoding of syllabus before starting the syllabus? Because if we do not understand the syllabus properly, we are not able to do study properly. So today I am going to decoding of the syllabus class 10th ICSE geography, but only mapping syllabus. So today I am explaining you what are the things, what are the locations in our map of India. So actually we are having a 10 marks of this map. So what are the things we have to see? Now see, we'll start. On an outline map of India, candidates will be required to locate, mark and name the following. So basically these three things we have to do. And in our syllabus, what we have to do? First of all, we have to locate mountains, peaks and plateaus. What are the mountains? You know very well, just like the Himalaya. Himalaya is the mountain and mountain ranges. Second one is the peak which is the highest peak, the highest altitude, it is called the peak. And the plateaus, it is a table like land which is a little bit higher on the plain surface, so it is a plateau. So we have to named only. So now see what are the names we have to locate. In the mountain we have to see Himalayas, Karakoram, Aravali, Vindhyas, Satpura, Western and Eastern Ghats, Nilgiris, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, and these are the mountain peaks. Two mountain peaks. One is Mount Godwin Austen, which is also called the K2, and next one it is the Mount Kanchenjunga. So these two mountain peak and plateaus, only two plateaus. This is the Deccan Plateau and another one it is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. So these all are about the mountain peaks and plateaus. I will explain each map location in detail later. So now we'll move to next one. It is the plains. In the plains we have to see the Gangetic Plains and the coastal plains. We'll also see the, just like this is the India location. So here if we see the map like that, it is a rough map. So here there are some coastal plains and here also some coastal plains. What are these? These all are the Konkan, Kanara, Malabar, Coromandel and Northern Sircars. So these all are the plains. Next one it is the desert. So there is only one desert. It is called Thar, which is half in the India and half in the Pakistan. But we have to locate only which is in the India. Then we will move to forward for the rivers. In rivers we have to see Indus. In Hindi it is called the Sindhu river. Then Ravi, Beas, it is in Hindi called Vyas or Byas. Then Chenab, Jhelum, Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, Ghagra, Gomati, Gandak, Kosi, Chambal, Betwa, Son, Damodar, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Tungabhadra. I hope these all are the in number it is very high, and maybe you are in tension. How can we learn these all? You don't care. I am with you. In a single lecture, I will explain how to remember these all rivers. So you just go through with me. So now next we'll move forward for the water bodies. So in the water bodies we'll see the Gulf. Basically, you know, in the class 9 also we studied what is the Gulf. Actually, these are the structure. In between there is a water body. It is called the Gulf. So we'll see the Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, Gulf of Mannar and Pak Strait. There is a narrow channel. It is called Pak Strait. But here it is PALK. It is the Pak. And you don't feel or you don't think that the Pak Strait which is in the, or it is in the Pakistan. It is not in the Pakistan. It is in India, because we are studying the Indian maps. So just remember it is in India only. Then not in the border of Pakistan, because sometimes students locate location near to the Pakistan border, but it is not there. It is at the in the southern part. Okay, at the southern last tip. Then Andaman Sea, Chilka, Chilka Lake and Wooler Lake. So these all two are the lakes. The next one, it is the passes. Basically, I think you studied in the class 9 what is the passes, but let me remind you what is the passes. There are some mountain ranges. When there is a gap in between the mountain ranges for the passing from one area to the another. So these location in the mountain ranges, it is called the passes. So we have to see two passes, Karakoram and Nathula. So it is only two in numbers. Next one, it is the latitudes, which is also studied in class 9th. In the latitudes, we have only two, Tropic of Cancer and Standard Meridian, which is 82 degree 30 minutes east. So I hope you are understanding what I am explaining you. Next one, it is the direction of winds. So what is the direction of winds? You have to locate the direction. What are the directions? Southwest monsoon. Yes, when you study the chapter number 4 climate, you can easily understand. Southwest monsoons in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, just like you have seen this India. So here there is a Bay of Bengal, here it is the Arabian Sea. Then northern east monsoons and western disturbance. So basically the wind are coming from here, from here, from here. So these all are the different names. It is very simple. Then next, it is the distribution of minerals. The oil, which is Mumbai High, actually Mumbai High, where the from oil is excavated, or we can get oil. There is a oil refineries, we can say that. So Mumbai High, it is offshore oil fields, and the Digboy, which is the onshore oil field. Next one, it is the for the iron, it is the Singhbum. For the coal, it is the Jharia. So these all are the distribution of minerals. So we have to locate their location. Next one, it is the soil distribution. Basically, there are more than 36 types of soils, but generally we are studying 4, 5, or generally 7 or 9. It depends on the area to area. But in our course, there are only 5 types of soils. So soil distribution, it is the alluvial, laterite, black and red soil. Then in cities, we have to only locate the cities by the single dot. It's very simple. So before that, you have to learn the map states. I will teach you. Now come on the cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Kochi, Chandigarh, Srinagar, Visakhapatnam and Allahabad. And the last, it is called the population. In the population, you have to see only two things. In the population, you have to see the two things. What you have to see? Distribution of population, dense and sparse. So what is the dense and sparse? Densely population, it means just like there is an area. In the number of people, how many number of people are there? If they are very high, so it is the highly or densely populated area. Or if the peoples are very few, so it is called the sparsely. Or we can also locate location where the population is very high or population is very low. So in mapping section, we will see all these things. So now why I am decoding this syllabus of map? Because this map is not only for the maps. These maps will also helpful for your whole syllabus. If you learn, if you understand, if you see maps carefully and understand carefully, I surely tell you that it is very helpful for the understanding the whole syllabus. Because in the whole syllabus we are talking about, we are studying about, we are learning about only India. So whatever the syllabus is given in our this map, these all are the syllabus of our whole syllabus. So that's why it is my kind request, you can download this syllabus from the ICSE board website, or either you can get a screenshot, or I think it is also available in your books. If you don't have books, so there are other sources also available. You can refer the ICSE board website. From it you can easily download and see what are the things. As already I explained you, but you have to see this all the locations properly. So I hope you understand what is the importance of this map. It is not of only 10 marks, also it is very helpful for the whole syllabus. So today I decoded the whole syllabus of India map. So now the next lecture I will start the each topic with a detail, how we locate, how we do the map work. So thank you. I hope you understand the things. If you not understand, by commenting you can ask some questions. Thank you so much.